part 2 of the Common Assessment number 5 review. We have x squared, or number 6, x squared minus x minus 12 over 3x squared minus 12x times x squared plus x over x squared plus 6x plus 9. So first thing we want to do is use the magic x to factor x squared minus x minus 12. When we do that, we are going to end up with negative 4 and positive 3. So it's x minus 4, x plus 3. In the bottom left piece, we can take a 3x out, and so we're left with x minus 4. In the top right, we take an x out, we're left with x plus 1. And in the bottom right, we use the magic x again, and the two numbers we use to multiply to get 9 and add to get 6 are 3 and 3, so we have x plus 3 times x plus 3. Start canceling things. X plus 3 cancels with x plus 3, and x minus 4 cancels with x minus 4, and finally x cancels with x. So we're left with x plus 1 on top, and 3x plus 3 on bottom, which is B. Number 7 is a division of fractions problem, so we have to keep this the same, change to multiplication, and flip this so x plus 2 is on top, and x squared minus 5x plus 6 is on bottom. We're going to go through and factor as we go, so x squared minus x minus 6 is going to factor down to x minus 3, x plus 2. 9x plus 18, you can take a 9 out of, and you're left with x plus 2. Then we change to multiplication, and now we flip. So x plus 2 goes to the top, which is already factored. And we are waiting. There it is. And x squared minus 5x plus 6. If we use the magic x to factor that, we're going to get x minus 3, x minus 2. We start canceling. X minus 3 cancels, and x plus 2 cancels. So we're left with x plus 2 over 9, x minus 2, which is C. For number 8, we have a multiplication of two rationals. We have to use, this is basically just a giant magic x. We have to use the magic x to factor all 4 pieces of this. So we factor the top left, and it becomes x plus 3, x plus 4. Bottom left is going to become x plus 4, x plus 4. Top right becomes x minus 5, x plus 4. And bottom right becomes x minus 5, x minus 6. Okay, we go through and cancel pieces from top and bottom. We have x minus 5 and x minus 5, x plus 4 and x plus 4, and x plus 4 and x plus 4. And we're left with x plus 3 on top and x minus 6 on bottom. Again, the way we got from here to here was we used the magic x. 12 on top, 7 on bottom. Two numbers that multiply to be 12 add to be 7 are 3 and 4. So it's x plus 3, x plus 4. And we just did that for every one of these pieces. For number 9, we have x squared minus 9 over x minus 6 divided by x minus 3. First thing we need to do is turn x minus 3 into a fraction. And when you divide by a fraction, we have to do keep, change, flip. So we keep x squared minus 9 minus 6 the same, and then we change to multiplication and we flip the last piece. I believe we break down x squared minus 9 right here. Yeah, we did. X squared minus 9 is a difference of squares, so it's x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 6. It's too loud. Over x minus 6 times, now we change to multiplication, and we flip this from being x minus 3 over 1 to 1 over x minus 3. We then cancel x minus 3 with x minus 3, and we get our answer, which is x plus 3 over x minus 6. For number 10, we have 3x plus 1 over x minus 3 minus x minus 4 over x plus 2. We need a common denominator to add or subtract fractions, so we have to multiply the left side by x plus 2 over x plus 2, and the right side by x minus 3 over x minus 3. When we do this, we get 3 times x, 3x times x is 3x squared, plus 7x plus 2. This is because we FOIL or use the box method. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times 1 is 1x. 2 times 3x is 6x. Together that's 7x, and then 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. We can just leave x plus 2, x minus 3 on bottom like it is. Minus, when we multiply the top over there, we get x squared minus 7x plus 12. X times x is x squared, minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. All over x plus 2, x minus 3. So we have that common denominator. Now we just need to put our x squareds with our x squareds, our x's with our x's, and our constants with our constants. 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. 7x minus negative 7x is going to be plus 14x. And 2 minus 12 is going to be minus 10. All over x plus 2 times x minus 3. Which is C. And this will conclude part 2 of our Common Assessment number 5